Today, let me show you how SAP's integrated tool chain allows you to confidently lead your transformation to SAP Business Suite. In today's demo, I'm transforming a procurement process, a complex and a fragmented one of a customer, to a modular and agile business suite. So let me get started. Let's begin with the transition guidance. This acts as a guide through the entire journey and powered by Joule. Let me start asking Joule, what would be the best way to transform my complex landscape? Joule responds to run the process agent, understand how your business processes perform today. In the past, what would have taken months of consulting engagement with expensive rates, today, with plug and gain in Signavio, and Signavio being application agnostic, we have the real answers from your analysis from your system displayed in real time. So in this case, we have the source to pay, which is a best run score with a low best run score of 31%. Let's dig deep into why the performance lags. Here we see low automation and long cycle times. And also we see the fragmented processes which are running mainly outside of SAP. This means it's a clear inefficiency hiding in plain sight. Now it's next move on to understand the application landscape. So we see the as-is application landscape, how it plays out across SAP and non-SAP applications. So with that, I call the EA agent to understand my application landscape with the technical and the functional fit. Having the comprehensive analysis of the as-is analysis of the business processes and the application landscape, it's now time to delegate the task to the transformation agent to seek the best transition approach going forward. With that, what we have, the recommendation, it's system conversion paired with continuous innovation. Why? Because the transformation agent here knows this is not just a lift and shift. It's an enterprise-wide transformation which is reshaping your entire business processes and touching every aspect of the user journey. With that decision, now we have to evaluate the further architecture. Here in the traditionally, if you look at evaluating enterprise architecture options, often costed you hundreds of thousands and took you a lot of months. With the EA agent in LeanIX, we have this architecture, target architecture, which is mapped out based on the reference catalog. As you see here, we move from a legacy to a modular business suite with SAP Ariba, SAP Fieldglass, and SAP HANA sourcing and procurement. And with a one click in LeanIX, we have the entire project plan, which is now digitized in SAP Cloud ALM, based on the Rise with SAP methodology. And we have talked about governance, we have talked about what is clean core with weeks of steering committee meetings. With Clario, a partner solution from Basis Technology, we have these technical options evaluated, benchmarked, and clean core verified. So with all this, the CIOs or the IT pros or the decision makers also want to know the measurement and the observability. That's where we get to know the real business impact now running through the process agent by the side-by-side simulation of your entire processes, current versus the future. So this is really powerful, which was not achievable a year ago. Yeah? So now I move to the execution, which is in the Cloud ALM, which counts the complete milestones, scopes, and the dependencies. And with the Tricentis test automation, we have the testing faster and smarter, leveraging the transform data from Synity. We could also choose the test path, publish the test cases, run the test cases seamlessly. So having said that, once the system is live, once your processes are live, once you've modernized your landscape, we have the Rise with SAP methodology dashboard helping you maintain your system in the clean core state with the clean core dimensions as you see here. And with WalkMe, with the in-app guidance, with the smart walkthroughs and smart tips and the automation, we have covered the adoption journey of the user in real time. With that, we are not leveraging the integrated tool chain, we achieve up to 30% much more cost effective and 35% much faster. And we do not end here with the new improvement potential, the transformation is always continuous, as you see with the next improvement potential of the plan to fulfill. And this is not a sneak peek into the future. This is happening right now with the integrated tool chain.